Hi, and welcome to MechanicsLoop.com. We're here to show you how to find the highest rated local automotive repair service center using our advanced search feature. Go to MechanicsLoop.com, go to the advanced search feature, then simply go down to business name and keyword, put in whichever type of make or model you are looking for, and then your zip code, and hit advanced search, and it will return the results quickly. And here you go. You see all the different places rated for Ford near you. You notice that we have 31 within 20 miles of the zip code 30306.